SciSpace tutorial, a comprehensive guide to using SciSpace. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the powerful tools and features offered by SciSpace, an AI-driven platform designed to perform how researchers, academics, and students engage with the research process. Whether you are trying to complex academic papers, streamline your writing, or conduct efficient literature reviews, SciSpace offers an integrated solutions to enhance every stage of your academic journey. Let's begin with getting started on the platform. Head over to the official SciSpace website. If you are a new user, you can sign up using your email or Google account. For returning users, simply log in. Once you are in, you'll notice the user-friendly dashboard specifically crafted for researchers. The layout is intuitive, with well-labeled sections that make navigation easy and efficient. Another advantage is the SciSpace Chrome extension. Trusted by over 300,000 researchers and rated highly on the Chrome Web Store, this extension integrates directly into your browser. Once installed, it allows you to receive research-backed explanations and summaries without ever leaving your current web page, making your research workflow seamless and significantly more productive. Moving into the heart of SciSpace, let's explore My Library, your personal research hub. This feature allows you to upload and store all your import PDFs, making it easy to organize your research materials. If you already use Zotero, SciSpace allows smooth integration, meaning you can import your entire collection in just a few clicks. Once your papers are uploaded, you can categorize them into folders, rename files for clarity, and sort them by date, title, or other relevant filters. SciSpace also includes a built-in note-taking function, enabling you to jot down key insights directly within your library. One standout feature is Trace the Paper, a tool that helps you visualize connections between papers through reference and citations, deepening your understanding of the academic landscape. If you are working in a team, you can also share your library or specific folders with collaborations, making it easier to manage group research projects. Next, let's dive into Copilot, SciSpace flagship AI-powered assistant. Copilot is your partner in decoding complex academic content. By uploading a PDF or choosing a paper from the SciSpace library, you can ask Copilot specific questions and get responses that are directly backed by citations from the paper. Highlight any term or paragraph and Copilot will provide an instant explanation. Mathematical questions and data tables? No problem. Just highlight or snip them and Copilot breaks them down for you. If you are new to a subject, use the brainstorm questions feature to generate insightful prompts that guide your reading. When you are done with one paper, Copilot will even suggest related articles to keep your literature review going. The Chrome extension brings all those features beyond the SciSpace platform, letting you interact with scientific content across the web. And importantly, since all answers are citation-based, you can trust the reliability of the information you receive. When it's time to refine your writing, turn to the SciSpace paraphrase. Simply paste in your sentence or paragraph. Choose from a variety of tones like academic, fluent, formal, or even creative, and they will generate a clear, more polished version of your text. Whether you are writing a thesis, summarizing for a broader audience, or drafting an official report, this tool has your covered. With supports for 75 languages, it's ideal for non-native English speakers too. And with integrated AI detection, you can check if your paraphrased text might be flagged as AI generated, helping you maintain academic integrity. To discover papers, head to the SciSpace library. With access to over 285 million papers, it's one of the most extensive academic search engines available. Search by keyword, topic, title, or author, then refine your results using filters such as publication year, journal, or study type. You can browse by topic or year to spot trends in the literature. One time-saving feature is the citation-supported summary, which gives you a quick overview of the key points in the paper directly from the search results. And just like with Copilot, you will also get recommendations for related articles, ensuring a true literature review. For writing support, explore AI Writing, SciSpace tool for generating academic content. Whether you are drafting a research proposal, writing an abstract, or constructing a literature review, the tool offers purpose-built templates to get you started. Input a topic or keywords and they generate relevant text you can use as a foundation. This is especially helpful for overcoming writer's block or speeding up the drafting process. You can refine the generated content using AI suggestions and even insert citations automatically. When you are happy with your draft, Save it directly to your SciSpace notebook for seamless organization. Speaking of the notebook, it serves as your digital workspace within SciSpace. Every insight from Copilot, every paragraph from the AI writer, and every note from your library can be saved here. This ensures that all your valuable information is accessible in one place, no matter where you are. You can structure your notebook however you like, and because it's synced across devices, you can access it from anywhere. It's the ideal way to stay organized and keep your research notes close at hand. Let's recap the highlights. Install the Chrome extension for instant research support. Use Trace the Paper to explore the citation network of your documents. Lean on Copilot to quickly understand complex material. Use AI writing templates to start your drafts efficiently. Organize all your insights in your notebook. And don't forget to double check any AI generated content to ensure academic accuracy and reliability. The SciSpace even allows you to convert PDFs into engaging video summaries, a great option for sharing your work on social media or in presentations. In conclusion, SciSpace offers a robust suite of AI-powered tools that can elevate your entire research workflow, from document organization to paper analysis, from paraphrasing to writing and citation management. Everything is designed to help you work smarter. With both free and paid plans available, there's an option for everyone, whether you are a student, a researcher, or an academic professional. To get started, visit the SciSpace website today. Don't forget to check for any available discounts before upgrading. Your research journey just got a whole lot easier with SciSpace.